Unlock the meaning of first rate in English. Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting phrase in the English language. First rate. You might have heard it in movies, read it in books, or come across it in a conversation. But what does it mean, and how can you use it in your own communication? Let's get to the bottom of this expression together. First rate is an adjective that is used to describe something of the highest quality or excellence. The term originates from a grading system where first rate signified something as being at the top or having the highest rank. When you say something is first rate, you are saying that it is as good as it gets, the best of the best. The term first rate has a nautical history. Historically, in the British Royal Navy, ships were classified into rates based on their size and the number of crew and guns they had. A first-rate ship was the largest, most heavily armed, and most powerful, a formidable presence in naval warfare. Over time, first rate started to be used more broadly to refer to anything of the best possible quality. Now let's see how to use first rate in sentences. The hotel we stayed at was first rate. They had excellent service and luxurious rooms. She received a first-rate education at one of the best universities in the world. He's a first-rate musician. His concerts are always sold out. These examples show that you can use first rate to compliment and describe anything that is superior or has superior qualities. It's important to know some synonyms for first rate to expand your vocabulary and avoid repetition. Here are a few: top-notch, superb, excellent, superior, outstanding. When you use synonyms, you make your conversation or writing more interesting and dynamic. You can use first rate in formal and informal settings alike. It's appropriate for written and spoken English, making it a versatile addition to your language toolkit. Use first rate when you want to praise something or someone without reservation or to recommend something confidently. That's all for today's episode on the phrase first rate. I hope you found this video helpful and that it has given you confidence in using the term in your own English communication. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try to use first rate in your conversations or writing. See you in the next video, and keep learning.